In the vast world of mathematics, there is one theorem so profound and elegant that Gauss himself called it the Golden Theorems. It reveals a hidden symmetry between prime numbers. The law of quadratic reciprocity is a fundamental rule in number theory. It gives us specific conditions for determining if quadratic equations have solutions when we are working with modular segodist, arithmetic, and prime numbers. This theorem is not just useful, it is deeply philosophical. It describes an elegant symmetry regarding quadratic residues between two odd primes, showing how deep truths emerge from simple numerical questions. Why is it called the Golden Theorem? Because of its sheer beauty. Carl Friedrich Gauss, the greatest mathematician of his time, loved this theorem so much he devised no fewer than 8 different proofs over his lifetime. The mystery surrounding the law is intense. The multitude of ways to prove it only serves to increase the awe shrouding this discovery, making it a shining example of mathematical depth. Today, mathematicians use these proofs to explore concepts like the Legendre symbol and the Jacobi symbol. These tools allow us to solve complex problems that were once considered impossible. Ultimately, this theorem stands as a monument to human curiosity. It proves that even in the abstract world of numbers, there is a golden order waiting to be discovered. So there you have it, the Golden Theorem connecting primes through symmetry. What other mathematical mysteries fascinate you? What other mathematical mysteries fascinate you? Let me know in the comments below.